Everyone knows mornings are the best time to take care of the 3 S's. Shave, shower, and schwatter your lawn. When you shower in the AM, you become energized, ready to take on the day. Lawns are living, breathing plants. They need to take on the day to clean up greenhouse gases, increase your property value, and let's face it, grass feels so good when you walk on it. In summer, lawns only need about 1.5 inches of water per week, which isn't very much. It'll end up percolating through the soil some 6 to 8 inches deep, where the grass roots love to hang out. So testing it with a soil probe is really a good idea. Assuming you have the same brand of sprinkler heads with head-to-head coverage, you should be just fine with water uniformity. Using the same size cups, make a mark at the 1.5 inch mark. Place several of them around the yard and then turn your sprinklers on either at the sprinkler control box or at the sprinkler valve. Make sure you time how long it takes to fill up the containers to the mark. If you start to see runoff, turn the water off and your stopwatch until it has time to soak in, then turn both on again and repeat until the containers are at the mark. Just for tickles, let's say if you took 22 minutes to fill up the containers, it's not unreasonable to water 3 times per week. Therefore, you can adjust your sprinkler control box to water between, say, 7 to 8 minutes each time. And since lawns don't need as much water in the winter, you can cut it down to maybe once a week or turn it off altogether. It's just that simple. Grass. It's good for you, your family, and the environment.